What's the meaning of Baby Ruth? Baby Ruth. Baby Ruth.
Baby Ruth. Baby Ruth. Baby Ruth is the name of a popular candy bar that was first introduced in 1921 by the Curtis Candy Company. The candy bar consists of nougat, peanuts, and caramel covered in milk chocolate. Despite popular belief, the name, Baby Ruth, is not linked to the legendary baseball player, Babe Ruth. The Curtis Candy Company claimed that the name was inspired by President Grover Cleveland's daughter, Ruth Cleveland, but there is speculation that it was actually named after the famous baseball player. Regardless of its origins, the Baby Ruth candy bar has become a classic American treat that is enjoyed by people of all ages.